Henderson Harley-Davidson. Milwaukee-EIGHT 117 engine. The most powerful V-twin engine ever offered from the factory and only available on CVOs. 2019 CVO Street Glide. 6 bi-amped speakers delivering 900 watts of clear audio performance. Advanced audio package featuring 3 separate amplifiers with 75 watts per channel. Speakers in the fairing lowers. Boombox GTS infotainment system. Premium paint scheme. 2019 color options: Black Forest, Black Forest and Wineberry. Charred steel with lightning silver. Painted inner fairing. Integrated security system with power locking fob. Wireless headset interface module. Call hands-free on your Bluetooth mobile phone. Listen to stereo music or voice instructions of GPS navigations. Test drive at Henderson Harley-Davidson, your hometown Harley-Davidson dealer.